how to reset your service light on a Mercedes-Benz W205. That's a C-Class from 2015 to 2021. So you're going to stick your key in the ignition and change to position 1, which is just one turn to the right. Let's just say that you're on the radio function. Press the home key and navigate to trip. Press OK on trip. So you want to be sure that you're on the trip where it shows your mileage and your trip mileage. Press and hold the OK button and the phone button at the same time. And then you're going to use your controls to go to Assist Plus. So I'm just pressing the down arrow button. As you can see, it's moving. Assist Plus. Now it says to switch on ignition to activate Assist Plus. So now you're going to turn the key once more. We didn't turn the car on, we just moved to ignition 2. So you want to go down to full service. Press OK. Then you're going to scroll down using the arrow button to confirm service. And then you're going to press OK. Service performed? Yes. Cannot be undone. Confirm. Full service carried out. And you're done.